In today's session, we'll be learning HTML and CSS. Let's create a new file. This is introduction, and you can name this file as introduction.html. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So what is HTML? Let's start from the beginning. HTML basically it is the standard markup language for web pages. For web pages. You can create what you can do with HTML. You can create
When create
your own
web
website.
pages, websites, web pages.
You can create your own website. Okay. All right. And
Okay.
learning HTML it is quite easy. A few tags. All you have to do is understand few tags. Okay, how it works. So let's try with an example. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. So here we go. We have doc type first. Then we have HTML tag. And as you can see, if you use standard editors like, Visual Studio Code, it helps you, do the, like projects, like auto completion feature. With auto completion feature, you can complete the projects in no time. Okay. So there is a head tag. So look at here. I'm not, writing the closing tags here. It automatically appears. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Then there is a title. Okay, title, it is like my first web page. Web page and website, what is the difference? Web page is a single
Website contains lot of web pages.
web pages, yes. Now body, and now body contains
Content
these
of web
text,
page.
yes. Now these are the contents. So, we can make the title H1, heading 1, we can say introduction to HTML. And this we can put it in P tag. Okay, P tag is a paragraph.
Yeah, paragraph tag.
So if you put the text in a tags, you can apply some effects. Okay, like font color, font size. Okay, you can apply
No.
styles to those texts. Okay, so now
Yes, sir.
let's just save this one. Okay,
Okay.
all right. So you have to go to the folder. Okay, HTML CSS. Here we go, and click on the introduction. See, look at here.
Maybe your full screen is not sharing,
See,
sir. Only. Yeah.
do you see?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So now let's do further coding. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So what is the long form for the HTML?
HTML.
Hmm.
Yeah, hypertext markup language.
Yes. It's a hypertext markup language. It stands for hypertext markup language. It is used to create web pages. Okay. And this describes what? This describes the
Hypertext
structure of
H
the web page. Okay.
web page. Yeah.
Okay. And HTML elements, these tags, p tag, h3, body. Okay. It describes how the web page should be displayed, how it should display the content. Okay. And these
Okay.
elements, piece of the content, like this is a heading and all, this is paragraph.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is, you can make it bold. Okay, this is the web page content. Okay, main content. This is head section. In that we display the title of the page. Okay, so let's go step by step. What is doc type?
So indicate HTML5
Yes,
maybe.
what is doc type? So it defines like the document is HTML5 document.
Sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay, sir.
and then there is a next is HTML. Okay,
Okay.
so you have the after doc type. What do you see?
HTML tag starting.
Yes. So HTML, this is the root element. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is the root element of HTML fields. So you have to understand that nowadays, mobile application development, if you check Flutter application is there. Okay. So
Yeah,
if you create a Flutter application, okay, it has root widget. Okay. So it's a hierarchy of widgets, components, you can say elements. So like you're doing HTML, so you're talking about elements,
sir.
and you're doing Flutter, you're talking about widgets. Okay, mainly it's a hierarchy. So look at here. This is the root element. Okay, then there is hierarchy head, then there is
Head,
hierarchy body. Okay,
body.
so
Yeah.
it's like that. So in mobile application development, React, it has the same hierarchy of components. Okay.
Okay.
Alright, so then is a head, okay?
Yeah.
So what is head? It
Head.
contains meta
So,
information.
yeah. About
Meta
browser
information
information.
meaning the information about the page.
Yeah. About right.
Okay? Information about the page. It's a information about the data, okay?
Yes, sir.
Uh, then there is title. You should know this. It defines the page title, okay?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Title for the web page,
Web
which is
page.
shown on the browser's title bar. Okay.
Yes. Yes, sir.
And then there is a body. Okay. So the body tag, this defines the document's body. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It acts like a container.
Scan.
Okay. Container for all the, let's say contents. Okay. Like
Okay, sir.
images, paragraphs,
Yeah.
hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. Okay. Then there is H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag. Okay.
Yeah.
So
They are
these
headings.
all tags, H1 to H6.
They are headings. Different
Okay,
size.
it defines, large
Headings.
heading.
Yeah.
Okay, the small headings. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
as per the requirement, you can choose it. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and then there is P tag. Okay, so what is P tag?
Paragraph tag.
It's a paragraph. Okay, so let's just save it. Okay, and see the changes. So now this time already you got it open. Okay. So You don't need to again
refresh.
go to the folder and open up the
Yeah,
file. Okay.
just refresh.
Okay. Here
Reload.
we go. We just refresh. Okay. See what we have learned. Now it shows in here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. So let's go to the code section again. So what is element? Let's talk about the HTML element. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What is HTML element? So this element, it defines, it is defined by start tag. Okay, like this is a start tag. Okay, so I need to put it in comment. Okay, so this is defining like this tag name. This is the start tag, and then content. Okay, and then slash tag name. So this is everything from the start tag to the end tag. So like H1, okay, it's a pair,
Yeah.
start tag and end tag. Okay. So
Okay,
H1
sir.
is the first heading, P is the paragraph, okay. Then there is a break also. So BR, okay, break tag. Some HTML elements doesn't have content, okay. These are empty elements, okay. So like it doesn't have the close tag. So let's say break tag, okay. So this doesn't have the ending. So we just have the
Closing bell.
break tag, okay. If you want, you can provide a slash in here, okay.
Yeah.
But these
Okay,
are
sir.
empty tags. It doesn't have content in it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the purpose of the web browser, it is like Chrome, Edge, Firefox. Okay, you just name it. Okay, it is to read these HTML documents. Basically, you are loading any HTML web page, requesting any web page from the server. So, sir, actually, it is sending all these HTML code to the client machine. So browser then, display these content code correctly. Okay. So that's called rendering. So basically, browser does not display the HTML tags. See, you have written H1 and slash H1, but you don't see these in the output, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like these tags actually determines how to display the document. Okay. Like this should be bigger, large heading, and this is a paragraph. Okay. The font size. Okay, and the color of the fonts, that is all decided. Okay. And the content actually, see, look at here, head tag is there, but head tag we don't see the content generally. This is just some meta information. Okay, and this header is sent to the server. Okay, in case if you want to, then the body content. So body section, it will be displayed in a browser. Content
Yes, sir.
inside the title, it will be shown in the browser's title bar. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. So let's save this and run this. Let's reload. Okay, the break tag. Okay, it shows it here. So likewise, we can add more things. So you're getting Teli as well as your web page is getting this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How you can design these web pages using what editors? Okay, web pages can be created, modified by using professional HTML editors. Okay. But sometimes if you are a beginner, you might want to learn HTML, okay, using simple text editors like Notepad, as in because you need to remember to close the tags, because when you type the tags, you don't require to close this tag, because this is automatically completed by the editors, right?
Yes,
Smart
sir.
editors. But this is the mistake. Actually, as a beginner, you make mistakes. Like you open up the tag, but you forget to close the tag often. So you need to stop doing that mistake, right? So for that, you need to do the coding in the notepad. Okay. So I believe that using simple text editor, notepad, it is a good way to learn HTML. Okay. So
Yeah.
what you
But
need to
in
do,
Mac, I am using Mac, sir.
yeah, any editor, any editor, simple editor, not the
Oh,
smart one. Okay.
yeah.
So basically, you need to type this slash h1 manually.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you open up
Okay.
any editor, okay, and type this program, okay, and then you can go to Finder, Applications, Text Edit, okay,
Okay.
and then you can write all this code, and then you can save it as, okay. First, you have to choose
HTML.
plain text, okay, because if you don't choose plain text, let me share it to you, okay. Hold on. See, let me share you the screen. Do you have a screen? Let's say this is the HTML code, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
And now I
Yeah.
want to save this file. So I click on the save. I need to, first see document. All files first you have to do, okay? You
Okay.
understand? First you have to do all files in here. Make
Yes,
sure
sir.
this should not be a text document, okay? Or plain
Yeah.
text. It
So
should
dot
be all
HTML format.
files, okay? And then you have to give it a name. You can say my wave page dot HTML. Okay, this is a text document, then what happens? Your file will be saved as dot
Text format.
.html
Uh,
and dot .txt. So this is not the HTML file, this is a text file.
yes, sir.
Okay, you understand? So make
Yes,
sure
sir.
you have all files selected or plain files. Okay, so now I can go to documents. Hmm. Okay, then the notes. Then I guess HTML, CSS is there. Okay, and I can save this one now, my web page. Okay, and dot html,
Dot HTML. Yes, sir.
this extension is required. Okay, here we go, we save this file. So using text editor you can do the same. Okay, using Visual
Yes, sir.
Studio Code also you can code. You understand?
Yeah, understand, sir.
Okay, and then you can view this file web page. You just need to go to the folder and click on this my web page. Okay, and this should load the website. See, let me show you. See, you can go to the folder where you save the web page and just double click this, and this should open it in the
Web browser.
web browser. Okay, look at here. Okay,
Yeah, sir. So, bootstrap integration. My first web.
okay, you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So what is doc type? So this doc type declaration, it represents that this is the document type HTML. It helps the browser to display web pages correctly. Okay. And this should appear only once at the top of the page only before HTML tags. All right. And
Yes, sir.
declaration this, is not case sensitive. Okay. And this declaration, HTML, it's not required actually. Okay. For HTML file. Okay. All
Okay.
right. So how many headings tags you have? H1, H2, H3, H4,
H6
and
up to
H5.
H6, sir.
So we can just do copy paste. Okay. So here we can make H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. We'll not change the content. We'll keep the content as is. Just save it. Go to the browser and go to the page. So you can see in here H1 to H6. Okay. Okay. Do you see?
No, sir, I can't see. I am only. Yeah, yeah, now I can see.
Okay. These are H1 to H6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. Then there is a paragraph. Okay. And then HTML links are there. Okay. So let me add these are H1 to H6. So let me put it for HTML elements. And here we have HTML links now. So HTML links, with the ahref tag, you can do that. Okay. A href, and you can open up any websites. All right. And you can say click here. Okay. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So the link, okay, the link destination, it is specified in href.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, sir.
All right. So attributes, you can provide for this, to provide more information. All right. So HTML images are there. So you can have image tag, src, and then in here you can mention that it's a fruits.jpg or jpg. Okay. And then alternate text, if suppose that image there, it got deleted. Okay. Then you can say it's a fruit image, fruit apple. It's apple fruits image. So that user, when image doesn't show, user can, understand by the text that this is the apple image. Okay.
Okay.
And this is 250. Sorry, it's 250 height. So let's just close this image tag. Okay. So this is image. Let's type in here image tag. Okay. So let's just go to the website. So just refresh it. So you can see image tag fruit apple. It's not showing us the fruit, okay, image. Why?
Yes,
Because
yes,
we
sir.
don't have that image, right?
Yeah.
Fruit image, we don't have it. So let's just download the image and put it in the same location where we have the code file, okay? So I'm just
This
going
image
to,
tag is a single tag, sir. It doesn't have closing tag for image.
we close it. We already closed it.
In opening tag only, you put like a slash bar at the end.
Okay, here we go. I'm downloading the app. It's a JPG. I'm going to download it to HTML and CSS folder. Oops. Okay, I just saved it. I named it as fruits. Okay, fruits.jpg. Now, if I share the, okay, here we go. I will just refresh it now. Okay, see, as in because I didn't copy it properly. Okay, fruits. It's a JFIF file actually. It's not the JPG. So let me just download the JPG file now. Okay. See, the HTML CSS you have now, it's a JPG file, abc.jpg file, okay?
Okay.
And now I can go to the code and I can change this name to abc.jpg. Save it and go to the browser. Let's refresh. As you can see, this image loaded, okay?
Yes, sir.
And I also wanted to show you the link. See, if I click this link, it should open the website, okay? Other different websites. So this link is also working, okay? So how
Yes,
to
sir.
see the HTML source code, okay? So let's see you're on the website, okay? All right,
Yeah.
you're on this website, and I want to see the source code for this, okay? So all I can do is do Control U, Control plus U, or you can do right click
Right click
and
view page source code.
view
Yeah.
page source, okay? And
Yes,
this
sir.
will open a new tab in here, okay, containing the HTML source code,
Yeah. Sir, I
okay?
have one doubt in image tag, sir.
Okay, okay, please.
Yeah, all the tags we write as opening tag, content, and closing
See,
tag.
in here
But
we closed
for
it,
image,
now
yeah, 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 that one.
we close it. See, even if you don't close it, it doesn't matter, okay? Because we mentioned the image which we want to open, we mention alternate text if the image doesn't show, we mention width and height, okay? It doesn't need content, okay?
Oh, okay, sir.
But still, if you are used to provide the, closing tag, you can just provide slash in it, okay?
If we want to provide content, also you can write
Yeah, but generally we don't provide it.
for image tag only. Yeah,
Yeah,
okay,
for image tag, we don't write the content, okay?
okay, sir. Okay.
So, all right, that's it then for today's session, okay? Now
Yeah,
it's your
okay, sir.
time to do practicing.
Okay,
Please share
okay,
your
sir.
screen. I think you need to rejoin the session, okay?
Okay.